batter boards? In this video, a craftsman is assembling a concrete foundation alone. He uses batter boss fasteners to set and adjust the wooden formwork. Sellers claim that batter boss saves time and effort, especially when working alone. A set of 6 is available for $36. Metaltech Climb-N-Go, inspired by Steve Jobs' philosophy to work smarter. The makers offer a motorized system for baker-type scaffolding. It allows construction workers to move effortlessly around the site without descending. With a single charge, it can cover 1,370 meters. The system is easily installed and controlled using a joystick, supporting a payload of 227 kilograms. The price is $1,650. Smart Edge Roller. This paint system has 3 key advantages: a 170-gram capacity providing almost 30 meters of coverage with 1 refill, a thumb trigger for easy paint supply adjustments, and an 8-centimeter roller that is quick to remove and easy to clean. It includes a protective insert next to the roller, eliminating the need for masking tape. The investment is $25. power-tec and solary infra-red paint drying lamp. To save time on both painting and drying, you can use the option with infrared lamps. The yellow version can dry 2-component paints in just 15 minutes with an adjustable temperature from 40 to 70 degrees Celsius, priced at $590. The red one, priced at $2,000, offers a higher temperature range up to 80 degrees Celsius and has an extended arm for easy adjustment. Millennium multi-bead applicator. Simplify adhesive application for insulation material placement with this adhesive applicator. It accommodates 13 ports for 1.5-liter cartridges, operates on a 7 or 12 amp-hour battery, eliminating the need for wires. There's a version available that allows both dripping and spraying of the adhesive. Zircon Exitpoint L500. Effortlessly mark exit points while drilling various surfaces. This tool works on wood, drywall, brick, and concrete up to 23 centimeters thick. If all the diodes are red, you found the desired spot. The kit includes 2 magnetic targets, adhesive discs, a battery, and a case, all for $80. King Tony Ratchet Tubing Cutter. This tubing cutter is designed for pipes with diameters ranging from 28 to 67 millimeters and works on various materials. The cutter is compact, featuring a ratchet mechanism. It's versatile and handy for tasks like trimming car exhaust pipes. The price is $132. Jorgensen clamping miter saw. A budget-friendly miter saw priced at $40. Perfect for wood and PVC. Easily adjusted to angles of up to 90 degrees. The saw boasts 14 teeth per 2.5 centimeters of blade with induction hardening and double sharpening for faster work. The non-slip handle and special clamping inserts ensure a comfortable and safe working experience. The pitch hopper. These wedges enhance comfort while working on roofs using friction force. 2 models are available, priced starting at $100. Both models can support up to 113 kilograms, demonstrating durability even when people jump on them. Primegrip clawverine. For $75, you can get a premium pry bar with a nail and shingle puller. Crafted from high-carbon spring steel, it's highly durable and lightweight at only 750 grams. Plus, it's patented to extract even the most hard-to-reach nails without too much effort. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. For $30, this handy tool allows marking on wood, tiles, linoleum, and more. It even lets you work with corners and mark holes. The aluminum alloy body allows easy one-handed use and is compact enough to fit in your pocket. Tera Pump Trep 01 Texel. Reasonably priced at $70, this pump is versatile and great for various places. It can handle pumping water, gasoline, antifreeze, agricultural chemicals, and more. Powered by 2 deep batteries, it pumps 9 liters per minute, and its length can be reduced to fit into many tool bags. The manufacturer's experience of over 10 years reflects in its quality and design. Rothenberger ERP50 Digital. This manual pressure test pump, priced at $360, is designed for testing water supply systems and tanks for leaks at high pressure. The digital pressure sensor allows you to see all the data in the official app. The ERP50 model is designed for pressures up to 30 bar, while the ERP50 handles pressures up to 60 bar. Runpometer 35. Priced at $365, this tool quickly measures the length of a cable on a spool. It works with diameters ranging from 2 to 32 millimeters, and options for adding up and countdown are included. A single battery charge allows for 100 hours of work, and it features USB-C charging with a reversible connector. Pipemab 200 German experts have developed this magnetic clamping system for quality pipe drilling. Priced at $940, it automatically adjusts to the pipe diameter with an attraction force of up to 10-20 kilograms. The machine weighs 16 kilograms, handles tube diameters from 85 millimeters and thicknesses from 3 millimeters and up, ensuring fast and safe drilling.